Is cybersecurity only for big companies?
Many believe only large corporations can afford effective cybersecurity. In reality, small businesses are also frequent targets for cybercriminals. Basic security steps are affordable and essential for companies of any size. Let's break down common misconceptions about cybersecurity costs and discover practical solutions that won't break the bank.
Myth: high costs are unavoidable.
You don't need a huge IT budget to be protected. Many free and low-cost tools are available, including antivirus software, firewalls, and secure password managers. Government programs often provide free guidance, and cloud services offer built-in security features at little or no extra cost. Cybersecurity can be scaled to fit any budget.
Affordable steps every business can take.
Strong passwords, regular updates, and employee training make a big difference. Creating unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping software updated are low or no-cost measures that greatly reduce risk. Teaching employees to spot phishing scams is another powerful and inexpensive way to defend your business.
DIY doesn't mean insecure.
Many effective security tools are user-friendly, and resources are available to help owners learn best practices. Joining local business groups or online forums can provide support and share affordable solutions that work for others.
The real cost of doing nothing.
Ignoring cybersecurity can be far more expensive than taking action. Recovering from a data breach or ransomware attack can lead to significant financial losses and damage to reputation. Simple precautions help avoid these risks and ensure your business is prepared, protected, and sustainable.